What up, guys? Welcome to Bank Fishing episode 3. Well, today we're out here at this small little creek, just down the road from where my house is at. But this little pool creek, don't know if there's any fish in here. It's probably not. It's probably just a bunch of crawdads in here. But let's give it a shot. I'm fishing with some dry freeze crickets. Wanted to try it since my lizards ain't eating these crickets. Maybe fish will. So I'll give it a shot. So I got me a little jig head and I put a cricket on there. So let's try it. Let's try to catch a fish. Probably won't. We could always try to catch a fish. But if I don't get a bite on these crickets, I've got my tackle. With my panfish tackle. If there's a fish in here, they'll bite it. Always give it a shot. Well, that cast nothing. Try not to get hung up in here. You gotta be very accurate with all these brush everywhere, trees everywhere. With this light line, guess what? You ain't gonna get it back. You probably won't break your line and get it back. Well, that cricket's a bust. Well, don't think these crickets gonna work. So, I don't know what to do with them. So let's put a little tube bait on there and give it a shot. These crickets don't stay on the hook very well, and they're dry freeze, so they're real brittle and crispy. So, let's try to use a little tube in my little fancy tackle box. So, maybe I could probably get a bite with this. I don't know. I was kind of hoping the cricket would work, but since I figured it wouldn't because it's dry freeze, no scent, might as well just put a leaf on it, pretty much. So, that's alright. We got our tube bait on here, just like so. Look at that, baby. If there's a fish on there, if there's a fish in here, we'll try to catch one. No promises in this little creek. The water's really clear. I mean, I can see my bait in the water, all the way in the bottom. So, when it's really clear, not always good. If the fish can see me, then they're hiding. There's bluegill in here, sunfish, whatever you want to call them. So far we ain't having no luck. No luck. No luck at all. Come on, it's gotta be a fish. This right here never dries up. All year long there's a pool of water in here. The whole creek will dry up, but this right here never dries up. Because there's constant water coming in here in these fields. There's like ditches over there, and the big rains. Man, this thing is like Niagara Falls in here, man. It's just flowing like crazy. And this creek goes all the way behind where I live, and it goes into the Bang Creek, which is Hickory Creek, in which eventually Hickory Creek flows into Lake Louisville. So, I know for a fact there's fish in here, because I've caught one before. Nice one. If you go on Bank Fishing on Facebook, there's a picture of one. Nice sunfish. It's got the orange on the tips of the fins. But since we had these rains, every time more of them got washed out. But you just never know. It's real clear water. Probably ain't no fish in here. I don't know. They're probably hiding. They could probably see me. Probably tell them, man, this fool think he gonna catch me. Crazy. So. Well, yeah, it look like I'm having no luck. No luck at all. Caught some brush. It's all been nice. Look at that. Caught me a brush bluegill. Well, that's what you get trying to fish in a small little creek like this. That's a doozy. Try not to get it. Get it back. Oh, I got it back. Well, guys, at least if I ain't catching nothing, I'm outside enjoying the creek fishing. Hopefully, it'd be great to catch one. Snag on the rocks. Gotta be fishing. Got to be fishing somewhere, somehow. I know there's fish in here at one time. And I see movement sometimes when I pass by this bridge, but today, that ain't the day. They must have got washed downstream or something. So, on fishies. Get on my bait. Please, I beg of you. I don't see no activity at all. No activity at all. Nothing moving. Somebody running. Planes over there. Having fun on a Sunday. Flying plane, no danger. I'd rather have fun, fish this creek where I ain't getting nothing in here. And then go watch the Cowboy game. Go Cowboys. Right? We play the New England Patriots. The GOAT Tom Brady. Hope we can beat the GOAT. But if we can't beat the GOAT, it's okay, because Tom Brady's great. So, yeah, I know I'm talking about football while I'm fishing. But I just ain't simply getting no bite. Nothing ain't tacky. Alright, last cast. Last cast, guys. I guess it's probably going to be a bust. So, hopefully in my next video, we're going to test this creek out. Okay? We're going to test it out. I'm going to go get me a crawdad trap. I'm going to throw it right in the middle of that sucker. And I'm going to bait it. And I'm gonna let it sit there for about 3 days. Tie it off. Let's see if we're getting any baby fish in it. Probably get a bunch of crawdads in there. Look at that, another twig. Yeah, look at that. We caught 2 twigs. That is some bank fishing right there. 2 twigs. Alright, guys, well, no luck at all. One more catch. No luck at all. No luck at all. Oh, watch out, there's a dark one. Nice little Chevy truck. It's alright. Got me a Dodge. Dodge. Way to go. Think about Dodge, when they break down, they break down. Brotherhood of Muscle. Dodge. Love me some Dodge. Well, guess what, guys? They ain't jack squat in here. If there is something, it's too small to bite on this. So, I guess we'll try again at some other creek. Since today, I wanted to try this little area, and I've got to get cleaned up and get ready for some football. Root for the Cowboys. Hopefully they win. But at least I want to come out here and try it. This is the beginning of this creek right here. It flows all the way down, to the dead ends of the 1173. It goes in that big creek over there, and I know there's fish in there. I've caught a bunch of bluegill in there, and there's got to be bass in there. But get down there, it's tough. It's a lot of walking, a lot of brush walk through. So, want to just try to come out here, do a video for y'all. Sorry I didn't catch nothing, but we could do an experiment. I'll go get the stuff what I need, put a trap in there, and see what we can catch. Maybe we could probably catch a baby bluegill. Wouldn't that be nice? A little baby bluegill, probably that big. Or maybe some minnows or something. I don't know, a little bait fish. Maybe some crawdads. Crawdads are always good. Yeah, there is no movement in this creek. There's barely any water going, and it's just standstill water. Ain't nothing in here. Ain't nothing here to bite on this lure. So, well, guys, I still have fun doing it. You know why? Because I'm in the outdoors, fishing a creek with no fish in it, and I'm talking to you. So that's always fun, right? So, if you like this video and you think I'm crazy, fishing in a little pool creek, which more likely ain't nobody gonna fish in it, more likely ain't no fish in here. So, if you like this video, push that subscribe button, get that notification, hit that bell button, get that notification for the next video. I'm gonna experiment this spot right here, and then we'll find another creek. We'll find somewhere else to fish at some point, and hopefully catch a fish. Man, I'm kind of really bummed out. It's really hoping I catch a fish in here because I caught one in here before. But with all the rains we had, they probably got flushed on down the creek, and they probably found themselves way to the Bane Creek. So that's alright. We'll try it again at some point. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. And remember, have fun fishing. Check you next time. Bye.